Chapter 9 Adobe Photoshop CC Introduction. Photoshop is a popular photo editing and image changing software. It was developed by the American brothers Thomas and John Knoll in 1987. This software provides many image editing features for pixel-based images as well as vector graphics. There are various formats of Photoshop. Some of the famous formats are JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, JPEG, PNG, Portable Network Graphics, and GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. Photoshop is widely used in industries for designers, web developers, graphic artists, photographers, and creative professionals. Web designer uses Photoshop to make a logo for website. Application designer also uses Photoshop to create user interface for his application. Even 3D game developer also uses Photoshop to create a digital painting of its character in-game. It is also used to develop matte painting scenes. Adobe Photoshop CC. Photoshop is a photo editing and graphics creation software that was developed by the company Adobe. It allows us to edit, manipulate, and change colors of photographs. It offers a wide variety of image editing features as well as the capability to create complex graphics and make them look attractive. With the help of Photoshop, you can give special effects, draw objects, and write text on the pictures. Adobe Photoshop CC is the Creative Cloud version of Photoshop. It is an advanced imaging software used by designers, web professionals, video editors, and photographers to alter or manipulate digital images. Photoshop is primarily used to edit 2D images, although it does offer some 3D image editing functionality. Photoshop includes image analysis functionality and can be used to prepare images for use online or in print. How to open Photoshop CC? Follow the given steps to open Photoshop CC. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. The Adobe Photoshop CC window appears on the screen. 3. Click on New File button. 4. Click on Create button to start working in Photoshop CC window. Adobe Photoshop CC window. The Photoshop CC document window contains the following major elements: Options bar, menu bar, panels, tools palette, document window. Menu bar. Menu bar provides commands and functions such as open, copy, save, etc. and controls the overall Photoshop CC environment. Options bar. Options bar works in coordination with your toolbar to provide additional settings for the tool you are currently using. The options bar changes according to the tool you are using. Tools palette. Tools palette provides access to a variety of tools with multiple image editing functions. These tools typically come under the categories of drawing, painting, navigation, selection, typing, and retouching. Some tools contain a small triangle in the bottom right corner of the tool icon and can be expanded to reveal similar tools. Document window. The document window is a large white rectangle in the center of Photoshop CC's workspace for displaying the image file that you want to edit. Panels. Panels help you monitor and modify your work. It provides groups of functionality specific to certain tools or tasks. You can create a custom workspace by moving and manipulating panels. It lets you work with frequently used features such as colors, layers, adjustment, and so on. Color panel. It displays the color values for the current foreground and background colors. You can edit the foreground and background colors with different color models by using the sliders in the color panel. Layer panel. It is the command center for working with layers. It displays all the layers in an image. It is the place to go to access the major layer-related features in Photoshop, and it also serves as a diagram of the layers that make up the document which is active at the moment. Creating a new file. Follow the given steps to create a new file. 1. Click on File, go to New option. New document dialog box appears on the screen. 2. Type the specific details such as name, size, resolution, color mode and background contents. 3. Click on Create button. Your file will be created. Now, using different tools, you can work on the file. Saving a file. Follow the given steps to save a file. 1. Click on the file, go to Save option. Save as dialog box appears on the screen. 2. Give a suitable name to the file. 3. Click on the Save button. Your file will be saved. Open an already saved file. Follow the given steps to open an already saved file in your computer. 1. Click on File, go to Open option. An open dialog box appears on the screen. 2. Navigate the location on your computer. Select the file which you want to open. 3. Click on the Open button. Move tool. Move tool is used to move layers, selections, shapes and other objects from one place to another. Follow the given steps to move the image. 1. Open the image and select the part of an image. 2. Click on the Move tool. 3. Click on the selected image and drag it to your desired place. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to delete an image. There are 3 types of eraser tools in Photoshop. That is Eraser tool, Magic Eraser tool and Background Eraser tool. Follow the given steps to erase your drawing. 1. Click on Eraser tool and select the type from the list which you want. 2. Click and drag the mouse over the area of image you want to erase. Painting tools. Painting tools are used to change the area of the canvas or image by adding paint strokes or filling the areas with color. Photoshop CC offers several tools for painting and editing image color. Brush tool. Brush tool is a primary painting tool in Photoshop. It is used to color with smooth edges. It creates soft or hard strokes of color. There are many styles and sizes of brushes that can be found in the options bar. These are Brush Preset Picker. It allows us to modify the way to add colors using the brush tool. You can also change the diameter of the brush by moving the size slider. Mode. It selects and sets the painting mode from the drop-down list. Opacity. It sets the level of transparency of the brush strokes. Flow. It determines how quickly the brush tool applies the paint. Follow the given steps to work with brush tool. 1. Select a foreground color from the color palette. 2. Click on the brush tool and select the brush from option bar. 3. Set tool options for mode, opacity and so on in the options bar. 4. Click and drag the mouse over the work area to draw stroke. Color Replacement Tool. Color Replacement tool can be used to change the original color of an image with the foreground color without losing the details. It is different from the brush tool since it preserves the original texture when the color is changed. Follow the given steps to replace the color. 1. Click on the Color Replacement tool. 2. Select any color from the color palette. 3. Color the surface which you want to change. You will get the effect on your drawing. Paint Bucket Tool. Paint Bucket tool fills an area of similar color with a foreground color or a pattern. It is used to fill the color to the entire selection. Follow the given steps. 1. Draw the shape and click on the Paint Bucket tool. 2. Select your desired color from the color palette. 3. Click on the shape to fill color. The shapes will get filled with color. Crop tool. Crop tool removes the part of an image surrounding the selection. It removes distractive background elements and creates a focus on your desired object in the image. Follow the given steps to crop the image. 1. Click on the crop tool from the tool palette. 2. Drag the mouse over the image which you want to crop and press Enter key. Your image will be cropped. Type tool. The type tool lets us to insert text. It is used to give headings or titles to our images or drawings. We can also set various type attributes such as font family, font size, font style, text color, letter spacing and alignment when inserting text. Follow the given steps to type in Photoshop. 1. Click on the Type tool. 2. By using the options bar located at the top of the screen, you can change the font size, color and style. 3. Click and drag anywhere in the document window to create a text box. A new text layer will be added to your document. 4. Type your desired text. Retouching tools. Retouching tools are helpful in editing an image to remove imperfections from the image and give it a better finish. These tools repair damaged images, apply repeated patterns or replace colors in an image. Some common retouching tools available in Photoshop are Clone Stamp Tool. Clone Stamp is an image correction tool available in Photoshop that is used to restore an image back to its original state, to remove unnecessary objects in the image and to create artistic elements. Follow the given steps to use Clone Stamp tool. 1. Click on the Clone Stamp tool. 2. Hold Alt key and click the desired part of the image. 3. Drag the mouse over the area where clone is to be created. Spot Healing Brush Tool. Spot Healing Brush Tool quickly removes small unwanted marks, blemishes or imperfections in an image. Follow the given steps to use Spot Healing Brush Tool. 1. Open the file and select the Spot Healing Brush Tool. 2. Select a brush size from the options bar. 3. Click the brush over the spot to get rid of it. Move your cursor over the next spot. Healing Brush Tool. Healing Brush Tool is used to remove blemishes, imperfections and irregular skin tones. It works by matching the texture, lighting and shading of the sampled pixels to the source pixels. This means that the repaired pixels blend seamlessly with the rest of the image. Follow the given steps to use Healing Brush Tool. 1. Open the file and select the Healing Brush Tool. 2. Make adjustments to the brush as per your requirement from the options bar. 3. Press Alt key and click the desired part of the image. 4. Click the brush over an imperfection in the image. Filters. Filters help in making a special type of texture, patterns and many other things without using any other editing tools. They are used to modify the appearance and feel of an image by adding special visual effects. There are 11 categories of filters present in Photoshop: 3D, Blur, Blur Gallery, Distort, Noise, Pixelate, Render, Sharpen, Stylize, Video, Other. How to use a Photoshop filter. The filters provided by Photoshop CC can be found in the filter menu. There are two ways of applying filters. One is from the filter menu and other from the filter gallery. Applying from the filter menu. Follow the given steps to apply from the filter menu. 1. Open the image. 2. Click on the filter menu. 3. Select any category from the filter menu. Here we select Distort, go to 12. Note that if a dialog box or gallery appears, then click on OK button. If not, you can be assured that the effect is already applied. Applying from the filter gallery. Follow the given steps to apply filter from filter gallery. 1. Click on the filter menu. 2. Click on the filter gallery. A dialog box appears on the screen. 3. Select the type of filter from the gallery. 4. Click on OK button. You will see the effect on your image. Layers. A layer is simply one image stacked on top of another. They are sheets of transparent paper arranged in a sequence to create an exceptional image. Layers can be used to stack multiple images, add text to an image, add vector graphics, etc. You can move a layer up or down to position an element on the image. Each layer contains a separate or different things that appear on document area. You can add many layers and also rearrange the order of layers. You can still see the other layer while working on one layer. Did you know? Layers palette displays a small thumbnail view of your image. More than one layer is called a composition. Creating a new layer. A new layer is automatically created when you paste any picture or object in your image. Follow the given steps to create a new layer. 1. Click on the Layer menu. 2. Click on the New, go to Layer option. New Layer dialog box appears on the screen. 3. Give the suitable name in the Name text box and click on OK. Renaming a layer. Follow the given steps to rename a layer. 1. Select the layer from Layer palette. 2. Click on Layer, go to Rename layer. Layer Properties dialog box appears on the screen. 3. Give the new name in the Name text box and press Enter key. Deleting a layer. Follow the given steps to delete a layer. 1. Select the layer which you want to delete. 2. Click on the Layer menu. 3. Click on the Delete, go to Layer option. A confirmation dialog box appears on the screen. 4. Click on Yes option. Merging layers. Merging layers means combining two or more layers together to form a single layer. Follow the given steps to merge different layers. 1. Select the layers you want to merge. 2. Click on Layer menu. 3. Click on Merge Visible option. Exit from Photoshop. Follow the given steps to exit from Photoshop. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Click on Exit option. In a nutshell. 1. Photoshop is a popular photo editing and image changing software. 2. Tools palette provides access to a variety of tools with multiple image editing functions. 3. Selection tools are used to select areas of an image to change or transform color and shapes for your projects. 4. Move tool is used to move layers, selections, shapes and other objects from one place to another. 5. Painting tools are used to change the area of the canvas or image by adding paint strokes or filling the areas with color. 6. Retouching tools are helpful in editing an image to remove imperfections from the image and give it a better finish. 7. Filters help in making a special type of texture, patterns and many other things without using any other editing tools. 8. Layers are sheets of transparent paper arranged in a sequence to create an exceptional image.
1. Fill in the blanks.